This dance starts with weight on your left, and you're going to do a weave to the right. So a weave is you're going to step out, behind, beside, then you're going to cross, then you're going to do a shuffle, then you're going to do a rock, recover, then you're going to do a weave that direction. So step out, behind, step beside, cross, another shuffle, then you're going to do a rock, recover with a quarter turn that way, then you're going to step with your right, sweep with your left, step with your left, sweep with your right, come across, and then you're going to do a turning jazz box. You'll be facing this way, then you're going to do a K-step, also turning. So K-step, and then you're going to turn to this wall, start the dance over again with the weave.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No tags or restarts.